Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this video helpful. All links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video shares my personal experience with Green Dollar Loans Express Loan. Green Dollar Loans Express Loan Review, my user experience. Green Dollar Loans offers a convenient solution for those needing short-term financial assistance. This platform specializes in connecting borrowers with lenders who can provide quick cash loans to cover emergencies, unexpected expenses, or other urgent financial needs. Loan amounts generally range from $100 to $5,000, depending on your eligibility, making it suitable for a variety of financial situations. A key feature of Green Dollar Loans is the speed and efficiency of their process. The online application is straightforward, taking only a few minutes to complete. You'll need to provide some basic personal and financial information. Once submitted, Green Dollar Loans quickly matches you with a suitable lender from their extensive network. In many cases, you'll receive a loan decision within minutes, and if approved, funds can be deposited into your bank account as soon as the next business day. This rapid turnaround time makes it ideal for anyone facing time-sensitive financial challenges. This service is designed to help individuals who may not have perfect credit. Green Dollar Loans collaborates with a network of lenders who consider a range of credit backgrounds. However, it's important to remember that interest rates and repayment terms will vary based on the specific lender you're paired with. Therefore, carefully reviewing the loan agreement before accepting is crucial. Transparency is a priority for Green Dollar Loans, ensuring borrowers have access to all terms and conditions upfront, preventing any unexpected surprises down the line. In summary, Green Dollar Loans presents a practical option for those seeking fast, short-term financing without the complexities of traditional bank loans. It's particularly well-suited for emergencies or bridging financial gaps when speed is of the essence. To learn more about Green Dollar Loans and begin your application, check out the links provided in the description below.